खाने को मांगता
Oh my god.
नहीं मांगता
Okay.
चमड़ा खाते हैं नहीं खाएगा दिल दुखता खाना खाते हैं ना इटू खाते हैं something like that.
So
I just hope they don't get
lovely.
offended.
No, it's so lovely and you look so cute.
Really?
Well, Kardom, welcome once again to Northeast Karbi Life, the mirror of society. This is Sermahin Terangpi and today we have brought you a very special guest with us. She is none other than Miss Anushka Teronpi, our news anchor of Northeast Karbi Life, and it is a very proud moment for us as the entire team of Northeast Karbi Life. We are very much happy for her and we would like to congratulate her as she have won the title, the recent title of Miss Grand Falcon 2023, which was held in Umrangso on the 9th edition of the Falcon Festival. So without any further delay, now I would like to have a short talk with her. So Anushka, as like many people have known you through this news channel, they know your name, your surname, but they don't know where are you from and like in which standard you are in. So kindly tell us some of your hobbies and all about yourself.
First, I would like to thank you, Sermahin, for congratulating me. And firstly, I would like to thank the entire team of Northeast Karbi Life for inviting me here. I'm so grateful. So well, talking about myself, as you all know, my name is Anushka Teronpi and I came from Menrongpar, Manja village. And I'm currently pursuing my BA first semester in Don Bosco College, Difu, doing my honors in political science. And while talking about my hobby, I really love and enjoy traveling and listening music. You know, as soon as I listen music, I feel so relaxed and good.
Okay, that's the same for me. I do feel really good after listening to music. So Anushka, I would like to know how was your experience in the Miss Grand Falcon? You know, it's a very big stage up there, as I also went out there and huge crowd. So how was your experience out there?
Well, my experience was absolutely fantastic. It was really grateful for me. Like I feel very grateful. At the same time, what I have in my heart is that, you know, Anushka, you're standing there not only representing yourself, but your whole community. That is a Karbi community, and also all those people who, you know, who always believe in themselves, you know. So I was like, Anushka, you have to give your best, you know.
Yes.
So that's how I feel.
Yes, you have not only brought pride for yourself, but for the entire Karbi community and also for our news channel also. So we are very much grateful to you. So I also wanted to know, like you have participated in Miss Borjan also and you have won the title, and also in Miss Karbi Anglong. So and also now in Miss Grand Falcon. So in have you participated in another like beauty pageant, like many other various, if you have them?
Yes, definitely I have. Well, my first ever beauty pageant, as you said earlier, is Miss Borjan. So it was my first time. So, you know, I never had a chance to thank, you know, the people who helped me out there, like in the camera. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank my brother, Igdisoy Teron, because he has been a biggest support in my life, Miss, like during that pageant and even still now. And also our groomer, Miss Kajurbon. Like she is also, you know, she had taught us very well. Like she is the first groomer. And after that, I went to Miss Northeast. Like, you know, it was totally the up, you know, from this level to that level. So I went there and then I was able to learn a lot of things. Like I was still a beginner, but then I got to learn, like especially like how to walk, because in beauty pageant, our posture and everything, it do matters a lot.
Yes, a lot.
And then after that, I went to some like college stuff and all, like Miss Don Bosco College and stuff like that. And then I went to Miss KYF. And during Miss KYF, Miss Really BP, she was just fantastic. She's really good and she has really helped me, you know, boost me to, you know, to go up and to speak for what I believe in. And after the Miss KYF, I got the first runners up and also I got the subtitle, that is Best Personality. And yes, in Northeast, Miss Northeast, I also got the subtitle of Miss Congeniality.
Congratulations.
And, thank you. Okay, then after that, I went to Miss Amur Falcon.
Oh, wow.
That was held in Umrokoti. So even there, I got the winner. And then finally, I went to Miss Karbi Anglong. I'm still the reigning queen. And for Miss Karbi Anglong, I want to give you know, a big thanks to Mr. Gautam Terang. You know what? He was also there during the final day of Miss Grand Falcon. He was there supporting me in the backstage, you know.
That's so good of him,
yes,
right?
Yes, and yes, I would like to thank my friend, a very good friend of mine, Miss Britney Tikatharpi. She has been, you know, the winner. And yes, I would also like to thank you, Miss Sermahin, because she is also one of the groomer. So yeah, that's it. And now Miss Grand Falcon.
Okay, so since a very long time you have been going to beauty pageant and such a wonderful time you have had out there, you know. So again, I would like to know, like, so beauty pageant, what is beauty pageant according to you, as you have been in the field of beauty pageants? So
well, this was the question that they asked me during the top 10.
Okay, wow.
So this question is something very close to my heart, because ever since I was a child, I was really much, you know, interested in pageantry, because I believe that I like pageantry not because of, you know, the glitz and the glamour, but because the beauty queens can inspire the people and they can talk what they believe about. So ever since a child, I always wanted to go. So my sister, then she went for Miss Karbi Anglong, but unfortunately she failed, means like she was not able to, you know, go. So, you know, that thing that really inspired me, like, you know, I belong from a family which have a lot of problems, you know, broken dreams and a lot of difficulties in life. But I believe that, yes, if not my sister, why not I, you know? So I worked this for her, and not only for her, but, you know, for me, a beauty pageant, you know, is a platform that gives me wings, you know, to fulfill my purpose in life.
Obviously.
So that is to make a difference in the world, because I believe that through pageantry, I can speak about what I believe in. And I always say in any of the field that I want to make a difference in the world. I want to make a difference in the world. So, you know, people must have an idea that what kind of a difference can I make, because I'm just a simple girl who's just, you know, living her dreams step by step. But, you know, what I believe is that if you make one, you know, one little things in someone's life, if you help someone in their life, you know, that little thing occupies the biggest part of their heart.
Yes, it does.
So, that is why I always said I want to make a difference in the world, no matter how small it is. But, you know, just making someone smile, it is a difference.
Step, little by little, of course. That's so kind of you. Like, you have a great heart for your sister, so that you have made such a good step that all the time you have gone for the beauty pageant, you have won something. And also, Anushka, I wanted to know that as you have been in this news channel also, I came after you. You were the one who came first. So how did you like came into this news channel? Like, how did you manage to come out here?
Well, that's a very interesting story. Okay. So, like, you know, as I told you that I love public speaking. So I went for an audition that is in the for the anchor in the Karbi Festival. So I met the CEO of this channel. Then he's the, you know, the very great person, Mr. Chandra Singh. He's, you know, like ever since I met him, he doesn't have any kind of like attitude. Means like he was not boasting. Means like the I'm the CEO.
Really friendly.
Exactly. So he was there. Then I don't even know, like, he's someone so big, such a great person, because he was talking with me very frankly. So we were having a talk, like we were having a dinner. So there was my brother, his name is Diben Singh Bey. Then he just came up and then I say, you're working in a news channel, why not you give her a job? Yeah, it was something like that. So it was kind of an offer. So I'm just, by that time I was only 18 years. I was very young. So, you know, I had a dream like, oh my God, I'm only 18. So just imagine me working in a news channel. And it's like, it is a big thing for me.
Yes, really.
I don't know about others, but for me it is. So I was like, if you got the opportunity, just grab it, Anushka. So that's how.
What a wonderful story that how you have got into this news channel. And also talking about the beauty pageant, every time we go to a beauty pageant, we go with a purpose and also something to do for the society. So as we are the Karbi people, so what kind of, you know, things that you want to do for the upliftment of our Karbi society?
Well, that's a very important question, Sermahin, because I believe that we, the Karbi people, we have a lot of talent, you know, but it is hidden inside us. It's because of lack of opportunities, because we come from a place where we have, you know, already from far from opportunities, but I believe that if there is hard work, enthusiasm and determination in our heart, then we can do anything. So like my purpose through beauty pageant regarding my community is to uplift them, empower them, and to tell them how much important it is to speak for yourself, to speak for the change, because if they do, change will come. And if you still choose not to speak up, then no, it's not going to.
Yes.
Because you are the one who's going to bring change to your life.
Yes. So, and also I just wanted to know that how is the support from your family, like your father, mother, your parents and your other guardians, how is the support from them, like your step into the beauty pageant field?
Well, I must say that my parents, my family have been the biggest support in my life. Without them, I will not be sitting here and talking with you. My father, you know what, the relationship that I have with my father is something very precious to my heart. Because my father has always been there. Means like, you know, even if like they call for me like judge in a show. So like my father don't need to be here. Means like,
wow, such a supportive father.
Yes, means like he don't need to be here along with me. But what he said, like, I'll be with you. He's like this, you know. Okay, just let me just tell you something very, very funny. Okay. So I just won the title of like Miss Don Bosco College in my college. We were having a college week, and then he dropped me. And then what he did, you know, I was asking him, Papa, can you please give me like a little bit amount of money? Then he's like, yes, sure. Then he can give inside from the car, right?
Yes.
So what he did, you know, he get down from the car. He took from the pocket and he give it to me. You know why?
Why?
Because they want people to know him. Like
oh my God.
He's that kind of a person. It's like he's proud of me and he wants me to see something, you know, in a higher stage. And yes, my mother, she is very positive. From her is where I got the energy, you know, I got the spirit to believe in myself. And my sister, my elder sister, you know, like whenever I think about that one scene, then I got tears in my eyes, because to be very honest, me and my sister, we love each other a lot. But you know, sister things, so we have fights, arguments, small fights. But even if we had fight for 5 minutes, then again we usually, you know, catch up. But what happened is that for Miss Grand Falcon, I need to go to Falcon. Miss like sorry to Haflong, Haflong for the audition. So Haflong is a very new place to me. I've never been there. So I was planning to go with my couple of my friends. Like 3 of us were supposed to go and represent our land. But unfortunately, they have exam and financial issues and stuff like that. So at the last moment, I asked my sister to accompany me. And she was there. So the last moment going by train, that means no reservation, isn't it? General ticket and stuff like that. So I was with my sister, and she is someone that not only her, me, and I believe everyone, we can't go to a train where there's so much people, you know. It's very difficult for us. So we went there, and then we wait in the station, and then we get into the train, and the whole train was packed. There was no seat for us. And then finally we reached Lamding. And Lamding, we reached there around by 1. And the train came around 3. And it was really cold, Sermahin, I'm telling you.
Yes, Umrangso and Haflong is really very cold. I have been there before. It
was really cold, and I was with my sister, and I was feeling really sleepy. So we even slept in the train station. We slept there. So our situation is something like this. Like
it's very challenging.
It's like I came towards all these struggles, not only me, my sister, my entire family. And after this, again we went to Haflong, and again coming back time also, the train was up to 11 o'clock, and we were at the station by 6 o'clock. So you understand, right? Like I went there, you know, I literally feel that pain in my heart. I feel pity for my sister, you know, I even feel like to cry.
She's such a supportive one, you know, your parents, your sister, so they are giving such big support to you, so you have to feel very, you know, good right now, don't feel bad, you know, and as you have brought pride for them, you know, they will also feel good. And I hope in the upcoming days you also keep on going high, and also your parents also keep you supporting. Such a lovely parent and so supporting. I feel so good. Please don't cry.
You know, I'm not crying. Come on. And then all these things happened. So that was one thing I was praying to God, like, oh God, please have mercy on us. Like we're doing so much. Not only her. Then I have the middle one. Then her name is Rublin. Through her I went to pageantry, to be very honest. Like I even had a story with her, you know, during in Guwahati for Miss Northeast. Like she was waiting for me. I used to go for grooming, and the entire day she will wait for me outside the hall. It was like this, you know. And then I had my one more sister, who is my cousin sister, Miss Anushka Teronpi. She has also been very supportive, like especially through financial, you know. She used to give me like even if I had shortage of this, that, then she has really been supporting. And not only my family, my friends, my near and dear ones, there's one, he is like, very supportive person. Like he always said that, don't worry, you're gonna win, go girl, don't feel
such
less,
a supportive
like
friend.
this. Yeah.
Okay,
I'm very lucky.
Yes. So see, beauty pageant has, it's positive sides and also negative sides. So we have to struggle a lot, lots of challenges that are in our way, yet we overcome that you have overcome, and then you have brought such a pride to our Karbi Anglong. So we are very, very much happy for you, and hope in the future you keep on continuing, going high, and then bring the proud moment, the pride for our Karbi Anglong. Lots of support and love from me to you. And also Anushka, can you tell me, like, as you are the beauty queen right now, in the social media I can see people sharing all the pics that you have won, all of the pics during the Miss Grand Falcon, during your winning moment, and also people are sharing, people are giving you blessings, love. And there are many models in Karbi Anglong who wanted to make a step forward in the beauty pageant field, but they doesn't know from where to start and how to start. So would you like to give some suggestion to them, like how to get started?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
So, I would love to do it. I believe that I joined pageantry is because, to tell those people like what is the difference and how to work for it. So, well, ladies and also gentlemen, remember the first thing first, that is modeling and pageantry are two different things.
Yes.
Well, in modeling, what you do is you wear the clothes, outfits which are designed by the designer. So you represent their outfit. So it's more about the outfit and less about you. But regarding pageantry, it is something where it's more about what you can do with your crown. It's about making a difference. It's about, are you courageous enough to stand for what you believe in? If you are, then pageantry is something more about like this. And moreover, pageantry is like it's more about inspiring, encouraging, and empowering people. So when you go to a competition, you feel like, no, I'm competing with her or I'm competing with him. I need to be the best. But in pageantry, it is not like this. It is more like we are empowering each other to be the best version of ourselves. So this is pageantry and this is modeling. So before you choose any of the field, especially in pageantry, do a very good research. Like, what organization is this? What team is this? Is this good or is that not too good? So you need to first do a proper research about it and go step by step. Because if from one time go without any knowledge, if you go to the higher level, you will be able to learn a lot of things in life, but you might not win. But there's a chances for you to win, but a very less chances, I believe. But if you go step by step, you will gain knowledge, like just like in classes, for example, class 1, 2, 3. So even pageantry is something like this. So that's how you will grow
step by step.
Yes.
So thank you so much for explaining in such a nice way. I hope all the ladies and also the gentlemen out there will get your point, and they will take the step in a good way in the modeling and beauty pageant industry. So, and I just wanted to know, Anushka, what are your future plans? Like, as you have won the district beauty pageant in Karbi Anglong, Miss Karbi Anglong, and also now Miss Grand Falcon, first runner-up 2023. So, what is your next future plan? Can you tell us, and also the viewers out there?
Sure thing. Well, I believe that my next plan is going to be, since I won the two districts in Simhasar and Karbi Anglong, I want to go more on the state level. I know that I may win and I may not win, but not winning does not mean that I'll stop. But instead, I'll work more harder in order to represent you, that is the Karbi people, and in order to represent myself and my thoughts, and to speak about whatever things such as cyberbullying, self-doubt, climate change. It is the biggest problem that the youths of today are facing.
Indeed. And they have not much awareness about it. So I think that the topic which you have come up to and you will be doing in the future, it will be a great benefit for us, the Karbi society, and also for the entire people over the world, because the topic which you have taken is one of the most bulging topic right now. So thank you so much for taking such a thinking and step for your future. We're very much grateful to you. And I just wanted to know, how was your experience with the people over Haflong, like Umrangso, like you have been there, you have been staying out there. So can you tell us how was the environment to you?
Well, Haflong is a very beautiful place. Okay. So is Umrangso. Well, when I was in Haflong, one thing I learned from there is Haflong Hindi.
Okay.
So I learned the Haflong Hindi, and I had made a lot of friends. They were really friendly, good people, And yes, especially I would like to thank the groomers, Miss Whitney Bathari, and also Mr. Sachin and Miss Neha and Miss Hema. They have been very good. Okay. And even Umrangso, I was not able to interact with a lot of people. But then, like, the people that I met around, they were really friendly, good. So.
Yes, as you have mentioned that you have learned Haflong Hindi, so I request you to say some of Haflong Hindi, like a common one for us.
Well, talking about Haflong Hindi, just say for suppose you are not having breakfast, okay? So, खाना को मांगता.
Oh my God.
नहीं मांगता.
Okay.
चमड़ा खाते हैं. नहीं खाएगा. दिल दुखता. खाना खाते हैं ना. इटू खाते हैं. Something like that. I just hope they don't get offended.
No, it's so lovely, and you look so cute while saying Haflong Hindi. So so nice that it is so nice that we go to different place and we like the environment. The people is so good to us. It's really inspiring that, and it's very good for us that we can again grow. We can again go from place to place. And also now I have some quick question for you.
Okay.
So Anushka, now we have a very special moment for you, and that is a quick question, rapid fire. So I will be asking some questions to you. You have to tell in a very short, short way. So let's begin. So your first question is, if you ever got a chance to become any kind of animal, what would you want to be and why?
I would like to be a cat because I love cats. I have a lot of cats. That's why I'm a cat I'm a cat person, so I'll be a cat.
Okay. And why? Why do you want to get to be a
because cats are very cute, very cute. And I want to become a cat because I believe that now, people always think that, cats are not good, they're evil. Yes. But I believe that,
this kind of perception is in the society,
Yes. But as the world is evolving, generation is changing from millennial to Gen Z.
Yes.
So is the cat.
Yes. Okay, so your next question is, what is your comfort food?
Oh, my comfort food, rice.
Okay, rice with anything you have to pair.
Yes. Rice with pork. Yes.
Oh my God, that's my favorite too. And pork with bamboo shoot.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh my God.
Yes.
And also, your next question is, as we have mentioned about food. So, what food do you like to cook?
I love to cook, but I'm not that good in cooking. Yes. I love to cook Maggie. It's very easy, quick, and simple.
Yes, easy peasy.
Yeah.
Okay. And your next question is, what kind of future partner do you want in your future?
Okay.
Yes.
Well, I believe that's a very, kind of a question for me to answer.
Okay.
But definitely a kind of person that I want is something who respect me a lot and who respect my decision. Yes. So if you respect me, then I'm okay with it. And yes, along with you need to, not only to respect towards me, but towards my family and towards every people that he meets in his life. Because I believe that personality is more about how you treat others.
Yes. Okay. So lovely. And the next question for you is, in the future, if you were looking for a job to get, so which profession will you choose? Like, what kind of job do you want? Yes.
It's more like, what is your aim in life? Well, I have two plans in my mind. Like one, I would not like to disclose, but the other, I would like to say, ever since a child, I always want to be an air hostess. So I don't know how it's going to be.
Okay, best of luck for that.
Okay.
I hope you achieve the dream one day. And also, yes, the last question for the quick and rapid fire question. If one day you turn into a man, what will be the first thing that you will do?
Okay, so I've never imagined about such a thing. Okay,
even me too.
So if I become a man, the first thing I will do is that, are the women in my family, are they comfortable?
Yes.
Do they feel safe? Do they feel that they are protected? Because I believe that it is the duty of man to look after their home, to look
Yes.
after the girls.
Yes, indeed, lovely. And also the next we have never have I ever.
Okay.
I will be throwing you some questions, and you have to say if you have, then I ever. If you haven't, then never. Haven't done. So your first question is, never have I ever given the shopkeeper a torn out money.
I have. I have.
Even me too.
Well, not because I have the money stored out, because
Okay.
they did give me earlier,
Yeah,
but they were not
okay.
accepting me. So
Yeah, indeed.
so why would I do it, right?
Okay, yes. So, okay, the next question for you is, never have I ever stalked someone's social media profile.
I have stopped. Okay, but to the celebrities only.
Okay.
I think so.
Okay, lovely. And your next question is, never have I ever lied to my parents about coming home early but came late.
No, I have never.
Okay, lovely. Such an obedient person and punctual person our Miss
Yes,
Anushka is. And also your next question is, never have I ever went outside without wearing any kind of makeup on my face.
Well, for me, I'm a person who is very lazy, to be very honest. It's like,
Okay.
even for dressing up, I don't feel like to do, So I never do makeup, Sermahin. It's
Okay.
like, but I do sometimes only when
When it is necessary to do and
set
when
also.
we like it,
Yeah.
Okay, lovely. So your next question is, never have I ever laughed in a serious moment.
Let me just tell you one thing. There was one of my friend during the Miss Grand Falcon.
Oh.
She's very funny, okay? So
Okay.
she was giving her, her answer. So I was like this, but
Okay,
she's
in
her
a
voice.
total posture,
Yeah.
serious moment.
Her voice is very funny, and even her question was something like that. So I was like this, but I was like, I was controlling myself, I was pinching
Okay.
myself on the back,
Even me too, when in the class, when the teacher, they used to have a serious moment of teaching, and then me and my friend, we used to make some eye contact, and suddenly in the serious moment we used to burst out in laughing, and okay, so your next question is, never have I ever sung in a karaoke.
I have. I did this in Germany. It was my first time
Okay.
doing that, so yes, I did.
Oh.
I was very bad, and you know what? The most interesting thing was, it was a German song. So it was
Okay.
like a German night, so everything we need to do is in German, related to German
Okay.
cultures and all. So the German people were singing, I was like, I was trying to, to maintain the vibe.
Okay, so lovely. Now your next question is, never have I ever been to any kind of party accidentally. Like if you have like your friends, you are going to some place and out there they have been throwing a party. So like accidentally, have you been?
No, I have never been this lucky.
Okay, no from Anushka's side.
Yes.
Okay. And your next question is, never have I ever made a reels on Instagram.
I have made,
Okay,
but
lovely.
but the reels which are not that kind of, what I'm trying to say. Yeah, but I
Okay,
have.
yes. And your last question is, never have I ever fallen asleep during the class.
I have. You know what? Like I was falling asleep like this, and my friend took a picture of me.
Oh my god,
and
really?
I put this thing on my status, and I said like, my teachers say dream big, so I was busy sleeping.
It's so relatable,
Yes.
as I've also been in your shoes, like when I was a teenager, I've also been in this situation, kind of very relatable. So this was the entire quick question, rapid fire, and also never have I ever with Miss Anushka Teronpi. It's so much good with you here. I'm very much grateful that you have come, and also the viewers, you have told them like about yourself, and also what is beauty pageant and what is the difference between beauty pageant and also modeling. It's very important for the people who want to take a step in beauty pageant. So thank you so much, Anushka, for coming here, joining this talk show with me. Hope you keep on succeeding in your near future. Best of luck, lots of love to you from our Northeast Karbi Live News channel. Thank you so much, viewers, for watching Northeast Karbi Live. This is a talk show with Sermahin Terangpi and Anushka Teronpi. Kardong.